Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Hey, I'm just kicking out a real quick video here. I wanted to touch on a couple things that are just some great deals that are going on for these Amazon Prime days, okay? So mostly it's going to be just about just this solar panel and this battery, okay? This battery is the AsperX battery. I've already done a video on it. It's an awesome little battery. It's 10 milliamp hours, but it's super fast charging. This is the one I had on my solar panels that was charging at 18 watts, 19 watts. So it charges very fast, okay? So what you can do is you can get that now for $10, okay? It's the red one though, so that's fine. So if it's red, it'll be easy to find in the dark. If for an emergency, it'll be easy to find in a pack. It's kind of a bright, ugly orange red color. That's probably why it's $10, but it's a steal at that price. It's a great battery. You should go pick it up. Type in AsperX and type in 22.5W, 22.5 watts, and get that battery for $10. It's like $10.50. All the other ones that are like that are $20. So it's basically half price. So that's a great deal. And as far as charging it up, you can use something like this here. Both these solar panels here are great. You can get a panel like this and a battery like that for 20 bucks total for an awesome little solar system. And it's just going to do so much for you in an emergency, guys. I really hope everyone picks one of these up. Even if you have a larger solar system, this is great to have as a backup. Even if you have a gas generator, this is great to have as a backup. If you look at all the flooding that's been happening, a lot of people lost their generators during the flood because the floods were so severe. But this could be tucked away in a pack to where at least you would have something even in the most severe situations, okay? So this is just a great little $10 battery and a $10 solar panel, either one of these. This is also a $10 solar panel. I kind of prefer this one. It is a little stronger, but this one's not bad either. To find the solar panels on Amazon, they'll either be listed under as a 6-watt panel, a 7-watt panel, or a 10-watt panel. They've got them listed on all different sizes. Finn likes them too. They've got them listed on all different sizes. Hey, buddy. Hi. And yeah, they're just great to have. Once you get one of these, you'll find tons of uses for it. Going to the beach or going wherever, it's just great to have that power. Great to have an emergency. This is something you definitely should pick up, everybody. Even if you've already got a generator, even if you already have solar, get a little backup like this. This is great to fit in a pack. You could tuck this away. You could harden it for real severe emergencies, okay? So just a great thing to have. Guys, having USB power is awesome, okay? There's so much you can do with it. I just grabbed a few things here to show you just for a visual so that you could see. I just want to remind everyone how just convenient it would be to have this stuff in an emergency, okay? I've got already a video on that Superphone right there. That thing is amazing. That thing pulls like 1/8 of a watt for the radio. It plays files for 1 watt. It can play video games. It can do all kinds of stuff. But yeah, phones, tablets, these are the emergency forever lights I talk about. Those take like 1/8 of a watt. So if you had USB power, you could power those things forever. Also, all your flashlights and your headlamps, your emergency radios. A lot of these radios come with a tiny little solar panel, but it's kind of gimmicky. You know, if you've ever used one, you're going to want something more than that little thing that's on there. And then fans. We show how to use this fan. Even bigger fans with USB power on my channel. We show all that. But yeah, any one of these fans would be great to have. Having some nice cool air blow on you during an emergency. And if it's cold, USB heating pads to keep you warm in the bed. There's all kinds of options. It's great to have some power on hand when the lights go out. So yeah, definitely pick up those things. But yeah, guys, don't miss your chance. For $20, you could have a really nice little mini solar system that can really do a lot of stuff. So I just wanted to get this information out to you. I think there's 10 hours left on Prime Day sales as I'm making this video. But even if you miss it, it might be just a couple dollars more. But getting a little setup like this with a small little solar panel and a USB battery, great for emergencies. I hope you do it. We wish you the best. This is Troy Time. I'm out.